Liam, you gotta tell me if I'm in focus or not. Are we in focus?
I don't know how to work a camera, just want to let you know.
Don't worry about moving it.
How do I focus it?
It'll focus already unless we're not in focus.
Oh, yeah, you're in focus.
We're in focus.
Yeah, you're in
Alrighty.
focus.
Welcome to today's video. This is
David with jazz hands apparently.
soon to be YouTube star. Hasn't posted any videos, but you should subscribe. Link in description right here, right now. Today, what are we doing, David?
We're building a flat pack without instructions whatsoever.
No instructions. I have no idea what it looks like. We bought it, but they didn't give us instructions. So yeah, thanks guys. Alright, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna build a flat pack without instructions. Quick interruption. If you haven't already, go subscribe.
You're fine.
Am I?
Yeah.
Thanks, Liam. Quick interruption. If you haven't already, go hit subscribe. I want 1,000 subs by the end of the year. And go subscribe to David Barry's channel.
I want 10 subs by the end of the year. So yeah, last three flat packs. No, last three flat packs we had in our house. No Allen keys.
Yeah, please. I don't know if this is working. This doesn't feel like it's turning.
No, it just wasn't in. Do it now. This time it's my turn because big muscle Aiden over there, he's injured himself. Wow, we could clickbait that.
Next, I'm assuming we put these in somewhere.
Over the rainbow.
David, tell the camera what's happened.
So Liam helped out a little bit, and this is what happened. This over here, I don't know if my hands are in the right place, but I'm going to pretend they are. This is what happened. And this is only because of Liam, and definitely not me.
And if you have a look at this, we're done.
6 years of research has led to this.
We built a flat pack without instructions.
6 years of
Give me a high
procrastination
five.
research.